The car repair process is a detailed and multi-stage procedure that requires precision, expertise, and the use of modern technology. It begins when the damaged vehicle, often having sustained significant rear-end damage, is carefully positioned on a repair platform. The technician then conducts a thorough inspection of the exterior, with a specific focus on the most affected areas such as the rear bumper and structural frame. Disassembly follows, during which damaged components, including the bumper, underbody protection, and internal panels, are carefully removed using specialized tools. This phase demands attention to detail to ensure that surrounding components are not further compromised during the removal process. After disassembly, the technician assesses which parts can be repaired and which must be replaced. Once the necessary components are sourced or restored, the reassembly phase begins. This stage includes both mechanical repairs and bodywork tasks to ensure that the car returns to its original form and function. Throughout all stages, technicians wear safety gear, such as gloves and face masks, to ensure a clean and protected working environment. Once the damaged parts are removed, the technician proceeds with the body repair work. This involves positioning the car on a specialized lifting platform and using tools like clamps and hydraulic systems to pull the frame back into alignment. Twisted or bent sections of the vehicle are reshaped using precise techniques to restore their original geometry. Advanced equipment, such as dent pullers and frame straighteners, is employed to ensure the vehicle's structure is both visually and functionally sound. As the bodywork progresses, the technician performs tasks such as smoothing out edges, reshaping contours, and checking for proper alignment. Alignment is verified with tools designed to measure angles and tolerances accurately, ensuring all repairs meet manufacturer specifications. The metal surfaces are then polished to remove imperfections and prepare the car for the refinishing process. Polishing plays a crucial role in ensuring a seamless surface before painting. A power sander is used to buff out remaining flaws after the body has been reshaped. Once polishing is complete, the car is covered with protective film to shield the body from overspray during painting. At this point, the technician uses 3D scanning technology to map the car's surface in detail. This provides a digital blueprint that guides further refinements and ensures repaired and replaced components align precisely with the vehicle's original structure. Following the scan, the technician uses the digital model to make final adjustments, ensuring a smooth transition between repaired and original surfaces. Painting is conducted with specialized equipment to apply coatings evenly, ensuring the repaired areas match the rest of the vehicle in both color and texture. Multiple layers may be applied, and each is carefully cured for durability and appearance. The final stage of the repair process involves a comprehensive inspection. Technicians examine every aspect of the repair, checking for structural integrity, surface finish, and consistency. Any needed touch-ups are completed at this point. Once all quality checks are satisfied, the vehicle is prepared for delivery.